Oh, what's going on, everybody? Today's Sunday. It is November the 19th at 5 o'clock a.m. Going hunting. Supposed to meet Mike here in a few minutes. Don't know what we're going to see, but we are meat hunting today. If a big buck walks out, I'm putting down. If a doe walks out, she going down too. So, yeah, we're about to get everything ready, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Shaking like a damn thing. There's something bigger walking in the woods off to my right. And that's what they keep looking back at. That's why iron sights, and it's got 2 openings. I was using the big opening instead of the small one. That's why I missed. Oh well. Hopefully some more come out in a minute. They came back. They're off to my left. I can see them right now. One of them just blew at me. He's walking right towards me. Stop this GoPro. Alright, so they came back and they were over here. And I can see them walking. So I had to stand up and take the shot and I had to shoot around 3 different limbs. I just rushed in, got in a hurry. Wind has picked up and it has gotten cold. It's probably 43, 45, somewhere around in there. Temperature. Still haven't seen anything else. The wind is blowing pretty good. And it was supposed to be blowing in this way, which it is right now, but it's swirling, it's blowing from behind me also. Still can't believe I missed the same deer 3 times. I'm an idiot. It wasn't our day to die, that's for sure. So Mike just texted me, said that 4 does just crossed this power line right here over my right shoulder, coming in behind me, heading this way. We'll see. We'll see if I can't miss again. Over my right shoulder. Alright, so we made it back home. Today was not the day that I was hoping for. I was hoping to smash one of those does. But it didn't happen. It wasn't in the cars today. It was all my fault. I'm gonna recap a little bit before I go into that. Before I do that, let's talk about suppressors. If you guys are not hunting with a suppressor and you can afford it, you need to get one. I shot at those 2 does on the first shot. They never moved. They stayed in the same spot. They just looked around, went back to doing doe things. Shot again, and they didn't run off. They just kind of eased off into the edge of the woods. I watched them for a few more minutes, and I thought they were gone. I thought they were just going to walk off and go do whatever they do. And they come back around to my left, and I never even saw them when they come back around. One of them kind of stomped and blew, and I looked over and she was sitting there looking at me. I don't know, but anyway, if you can afford a suppressor, they are well worth the money when it comes to hunting. So let's get into why I missed. If you guys are familiar with iron sights, I'm going to show you right here. See that little bitty hole right there? That's the one I should have been shooting through. Instead, I was shooting through that one, which is why I missed. On the third shot, I missed the third shot. I was just hoping. I was shooting through a group of limbs, and all I had was her head. She was kind of standing behind a tree, and the only thing was her butt and her head sticking out. I said, might as well try them. I've already missed twice. What's the third time? But it happens. I mean, everybody misses. It happens. Just wasn't her day. She gets to live another day, go do doe things, make babies and all that good stuff. So, had 6 more come out behind me. I kind of knew they were coming. Mike had texted me and told me, hey, you got some does coming in off to your right. They never gave me a shot. They were heading out, going to do whatever they do. So that's today. I had to cut the day short because I had a family Thanksgiving deal at noon. So I quit hunting. I guess I got to stand about 9:15. So it kind of cut short at the end. I'm sorry. It just is what it is. I stayed in the stand a little longer than I should have, and I was rushing to get home to get a shower and go do our family Thanksgiving deal. So, but anyway, that's it. I got to see deer. I mean, you can't ask for much more. But got to see them, got to shoot. Didn't hit one. It is what it is. So, anyway, if you like this, hey, if you like these videos, hit that thumbs up and let me know. Drop a comment and let me know if you like me doing these. I can do more. That's no big deal. It gets kind of tough filming and shooting at the same time, but hopefully you liked it. I hope. Maybe I can figure out a different way to do the GoPro deal. I don't know. I'll work on that. Instead of it just being on me, it can be on what I'm actually looking at, I guess. So, but anyway, if you like what you saw, hit that thumbs up. There's a subscribe button down here. Hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow. Boom!